Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Smallville Farmer. Today we're going to try and cut wheat again. Hopefully we'll have the second day of harvest. Oh, I'm excited. I've been waiting about 2 weeks to cut wheat, almost 3 weeks. But from the last video, we have the south half of our irrigated circle that's been cut. Today we're going to move over to the north half of the circle where that's much better wheat. This usually averages wheat production about 40 an acre. That sometimes is double. That's how good the ground is compared from this side to that side. So I'm gonna get the 1480 all serviced up, we'll get it checked over, make sure it's good to go today. We're gonna get Larry hooked up to the square baler, get him out there square baling, so then he can start using his stack cruiser over there. All right, looks good. Combine's all checked over, everything looks fine. We'll go get Larry started square baling. Larry's finally headed out to go start baling. It's Tuesday, which means at the nursing home, it's bingo night, so he's pretty excited about that. So Grandpa and I are gonna go check out where the seed weed is, get it all mapped out exactly. And you got Larry, of course, baling right by the highway. See, here's a highway. He's baling right here so everybody can check out how pretty his new baler and tractor is. Nothing's caught my eye yet. I know. That's what I thought when I was driving the combine. I thought, well, where in the hell? But I know he used quite a bit of bushels off you guys' truck. I thought maybe right here. Yep, right here. You see the difference? No. Back it up just a little bit. And I can't tell you the difference what this wheat is versus that wheat, but this one's a little bit lighter and that one's a little bit darker.
I think that's about where it starts.
You ready to go cut some wheat?
Yeah, boy.
So we got our seed wheat kind of lined out there where it is or where we think it is. So now we're gonna go cut some wheat. Day 2 of harvest, boys. Here we go. Once again, I gotta dodge all these dadgum small square bales. Dang it, Larry. On the good wheat, this wheat right here will probably make close to 60, 65. Not bad for a drought year. First load going in on the semi. It's hard to see it, but Grandpa's got a really good crop of wheat in there. You just got to find it through all the weeds. All right, we're going to turn around here. We're going to see how straight I cut. Gosh dang, look at that straight line. I don't mean to be bragging, but that right there is better than GPS. That looks real good. see what Grandpa says about this. Back in the day, we used to run Gleaner, an L and an L2. Does the 1480 and your 1680, is that a lot better than the L and the L2?
Oh, I don't know. The L2 wasn't bad, but this one's a lot nicer to run than the L2.
Do they do a better job cleaning than the Gleaners?
I think now that we got it set, Lord, yeah, I can't get it any cleaner.
There you go. That's why I'm a Case IH man. That looks like we got a semi-load here almost. Back hopper, and then we're done with that semi. That's all these old guys have been talking about today. They're so dadgum excited because tonight is freaking bingo night at the nursing home. So I hope they win at bingo tonight. Goodness gracious. left out here. We got a little bit left on this north side. And then that right over there, that little sliver is our seed wheat. So we're gonna get this knocked out here in probably the next hour, hour and a half. And then I'll move on to some of Blaine's wheat. I got this tumbleweed right here that's been right like this forever. It's holding on for dear life, boys. I don't know if you can see it, but there goes Blaine. He's hauling in the semi right now. One semi down, another one to go.
I'm thinking if Blaine brings that semi back, we go ahead and fill it and save the cart and our little truck for seed wheat and crap.
Yeah, that sounds good. Separator, feeder house, and off we go, boys. Looks like Grandpa ate a little bit of mud. He's having to clean out his header over there on that far side. And it was just the other day, he was going on about how much better of an operator he is and all this stuff. Jeez. Typical old guys, let me tell you. They're just full of BS. They're just always out here talking crap. You better freaking go faster up there. I got the inside track. Just waiting on the old guys again. So we finished cutting the regular wheat, and now we're going to move on to the seed wheat. So that doesn't mean really anything except it's just cleaner wheat, and we save it to plant it again for next year's crop. So on to the seed wheat. So this right here is the seed wheat. It's good, clean, there's no rye in it, there's no weeds in it. It's good and thick. It's good stuff right through here. That's what I'm talking about. Seed wheat going in on the grain cart. Say what you want, but these old red machines right here, they can really clean some wheat. Once you get them set in, tuned just right, boys, that's good quality seed wheat right there. That's what I'm talking about. And with this little bit right here, we are officially done with the circle. So there is 1/4 down. And it's only about 2.5 weeks late. So we're gonna wave bye to Grandpa. And then we're gonna get everything packed up and headed over to the next field and start cutting on Bubba and Dad now. On the road again. I'm in my combine, driving down the road again. Everybody drives by and sees my beautiful combine. Wherever I am, just on that road again. Here goes the test cut on Dad and Blaine. And you can already tell the difference between this dryland stuff here in the drought versus Grandpa's irrigated stuff. So, and the weeds are coming on pretty bad out here too. Grandpa stole my can, so I had to use this bag. Thank God I found it. So we're gonna go see what the test sample is on Dad and Blaine's wheat here. I think it's plenty dry to cut, so. All right, we're at the co-op. We got my 6th biggest fan, Shyla, and my 8th biggest fan, Madison.
I'm higher than Shyla. No.
They're gonna tell us what we got.
Are you ready?
Yep.
13.
Really? 13 right on the dot?
13.05.
This weight is 58.9.
And that's the best wheat you've seen this year?
Yeah, for sure.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Yeah.
All right, we'll go cut a small truckload. I can't tell you how many times on this dryland stuff I keep going like this, like, oh. Going from an average of 65 bushel wheat to 25, 20 since we've been in this drought. It sure plays with your mind, you know, because I'm like, man, I've been driving for a while and I still ain't got a bin load. This will probably do better than I expected. The heads are pretty big, so that is a plus. Finally got a bin load, putting it on my little wheat truck there. Dang, that took forever. Fighting the weeds, no bushels per acre. Good thing I get paid by the acre, not the bushel. Oh, dadgummit. I left my window down. Oh, no. Ah, crap. Nice going, Blake. Good job. Oh, I had this thing so clean. Poop. I finally just had to come dump a load. I've been cutting for like 6 hours out here. I didn't even have a bin full, but I was like, I just got to change up the scenery and come dump. We got Old Faithful here just cutting away like a dream. Anyway, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoy this channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.